NUHS Coffee Appreciation Team Building Workshop. NUHS sought a unique team building event to close out their fiscal year. Highlander Coffee offered the perfect solution: an immersive coffee appreciation workshop. With 17 eager participants, Highlander Coffee opened up a door into the world of coffee, a gateway to knowledge, exploration and flavor. One by one, participants delved into the mysteries of coffee with Highlander Coffee's experienced barista trainers guiding them every step of the way. From hand-grinding coffee beans to exploring aroma profiles, while tasting coffee from around the world. This was an experience that would be remembered for years to come. The highlight of the workshop was the hands-on latte art, which allowed the participants to unleash their creativity and tap into their inner barista. Through this, the team-building element of the event was further bolstered, and will remain an integral part of any successful corporate retreat in the future. At the end of the day, everyone who participated left feeling energized and inspired. Highlander Coffee successfully delivered an unforgettable experience for all involved, a testament to their passion, expertise, and commitment to creating meaningful experiences.